Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Lumion LiveSync, one of the most powerful tools for connecting SketchUp and Lumion in real time. It's designed to make your workflow smoother, faster, and more intuitive. Also, if you haven't seen it yet, check out our recent video, Is Lumion 2025 Worth It?, where we break down all the new features and updates in Lumion. Aside from that, if you're ready, let's get started. So, is it worth installing Lumion LiveSync? Absolutely. But before we go further, let's quickly unpack what it actually does. Lumion LiveSync is a free plugin that builds a live two-way connection between SketchUp and Lumion. You can model and render at the same time, so every change in SketchUp instantly updates into Lumion's photorealistic environment. Camera angles, materials, geometry, it all stays in sync. This saves you hours of re-exports and lets you make design decisions with immediate visual feedback. So, how do you get started with LiveSync? Once you're ready to start, open Lumion and select your scene. Then, arrange your windows side by side or even across multiple monitors for an efficient setup. Then, activate LiveSync in SketchUp and your model instantly appears in Lumion. The cameras move together so navigation feels natural and fluid. You can move, hide, or adjust objects in SketchUp and see those updates live in Lumion. Perfect for testing design options on the fly. Alright. Quick pause for the architects and firm owners out there. If your deadlines are piling up and you need support with construction docs, we get it. At MGS Global Group, we're architects helping out other architects. We've been doing this for 18 years, and our team plugs right into your workflow with on-demand project architects who are experienced in BIM. And we can start in as little as 24 hours. Visit us at mgsglobalgroup.com to learn more. All right. Back to the video. Aside from work efficiency, you can even import 3D warehouse components into SketchUp and have them appear live in Lumion. Material edits also sync automatically, giving you total creative control without switching tools. And if you ever rename your SketchUp file, LiveSync might disconnect, but reconnecting is quick. Just restart LiveSync and relink the model inside your Lumion. Good to go. Then we have camera and rendering controls. For precision shots, adjust your field of view in SketchUp and LiveSync carries that over to Lumion, so your perspective matches perfectly. You can also add lighting, atmosphere, and camera effects directly while LiveSync is active, helping you achieve polished visuals faster. And if you rather adjust your model without changing your camera angle, just unsync the camera to lock in your presentation view. And that's it. Lumion LiveSync isn't just convenient, it's a major productivity boost. By bridging modeling and rendering in real time, it helps you design smarter and render faster. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more architecture and visualization insight. And if you haven't yet, be sure to check out our Lumion 2025 video for a full deep dive on our new features and pricings. And with that, happy modeling!